Home Assistant's Year of the Voice has been a game changer. Many of us, myself included, have been diving deep into the DIY world, ordering ESP32 boards, microphones, and cases from Aliexpress to build our own custom voice satellites. But did you know that you can order the Home Assistant Voice Preview Edition directly from Aliexpress? I got mine just yesterday. This is Nabucasa's official plug-and-play solution, and this might just be the device we've all been waiting for. And if you are ready, let's go! But before we unbox this, I want to give a huge thank you to this video sponsor, PCBWay. While this device is an all-in-one solution, many of my other projects require custom designs. Whether I need high-quality PCBs for a custom sensor, a 3D printed enclosure, or even complex CNC machined parts, PCBWay is my go-to service. They make it incredibly easy to go from a design to a professional, physical product. Thanks again to PCBWay for supporting the channel. Here we have the Home Assistant voice box. It has a nice touch with the Home Assistant logo as part of the lid. In the box, we'll find a sticker and the manual. There is no cable or power supply in the box. It uses a 5-volt, 2-ampere power supply and has an audio out port. There is also a growth port that will allow you to connect additional sensors to it. On the top, we can see the 2-mic array, and we have a nice wheel, like the one found in the original iPod, with a button in the center to interact with the assistant. There is a built-in speaker on the front. It doesn't look too powerful, but we will test that later. Now, let's plug it in and pair it with Home Assistant. Then, we are going to use the Home Assistant companion app on our phone to connect the voice PE to our Wi-Fi network. For this, with Bluetooth turned on your phone, open the Home Assistant companion app. Go to Settings, then Devices and Services. Here you can see that the voice PE was detected by the Improv Bluetooth Low Energy integration. Just touch Add. Then enter the credentials for your network and touch Connect. Confirm by pressing the button on the device. Once it's done, it should be picked up by the ESP home integration automatically. Now, let's continue on the desktop. Now, click on Add, and then Submit. It will automatically search for any updates and apply them. But after waiting for the process to finish, it got stuck loading. So I opened the ESP Home Installer website to see if there was something there that could help me understand what was happening. But I didn't find any error message, and I didn't see any sign of an ongoing update process, so I decided to just look in Home Assistant to check if there was a pending update. And there it was. So I pressed Updates again and waited for it to finish. This time the device rebooted, and then it appeared updated. Now, mine is showing 2 red LEDs. This means that the microphone is deactivated. On the right side, the device has a physical slider that you can use to mute the microphone, a great feature for privacy. Now from here, we can select the voice assistant that we want to use with this device. We can control the LED ring and change the hot word. And if you want to run the Setup Assistant again at any time, you can use this button right here. This setup wizard is really helpful.
Hey micro. Hey micro.
Here, you can select how you want your voice to be processed. The default option is using Home Assistant Cloud. This option includes easy internet access, the latest voice models, Alexa and Google Assistant integrations, and helps support the Home Assistant project. Then we have focused local processing that uses Home Assistant's internal wake word detection. It's limited, but it can run on any system and allows you basic voice control. And the third one is full local processing. This requires a high-performance server for adequate speed. Check out my other video right here if you want to know how to set this up. Since I already have it working, I'm just going to select Next. This automatically offers to install the add-ons for text-to-speech and speech-to-text, so the system will be fully ready. I personally use the free tier of the Azure Cloud for text-to-speech, so I won't be using this, but it's still nice to see that they included everything in the setup process for new users. And finally, we can change the name of the device, select the wake word, the assistant, and the voice that our assistant will have. Then just click on Done. Now, let's put it to the test. Hey Mycroft, turn off the lights in the living room.
Okay.
Hey Mycroft, turn them back on.
Okay.
Now, let's see how it does playing some music. Since the ESP Home Media Player doesn't directly support any media integration, we need to use Music Assistant to play music on it. I honestly find the integrated speaker a little weak, even compared to the one that the ReSpeaker Lite uses. And since we are mentioning the ReSpeaker Lite, the functionality it's basically the same, you can even add my SoundSense package to get sound presence detection on your Home Assistant voice. One thing to keep in mind is the built-in speaker. While it's perfectly functional, you may find yourself needing to increase the minimum volume level in the settings. However, the best feature here is the 3.5mm audio jack on the back. This lets you bypass the internal speaker entirely and connect to a high-quality sound system. If you want to get one, you can use the affiliate links in the description. If you like my work, please consider becoming a member like all these amazing people. If you can't become a member, you can always donate whatever you like using the button on our website. And if you can't do that, don't worry. Just remember to leave a comment on the video and share it with your friends. I truly appreciate all your support. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!